County, Maryland, and Prince George's County Public Schools. All of you have the potential to shine and light up our children's lives starting September 4th.
The confidence that you have on day one is the same kind of confidence that you're going to need on the very last day. And the only way to have that confidence is to plan for instruction every single day. So I say to you, make sure you plan for your students each day, over-plan, because they learn at a faster pace than we could ever think or imagine.